Hey, Lily. Lily. Are you recording?
Lily.
What?
There's a birthday present underneath that blanket for you.
Lift it up.
There's a birthday present for you under there. Oh my gosh, Lou.
A new bird.
Do you like it?
It's made of wood.
It is.
Lily. You like it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Happy birthday.
Look, and there's a thing. Yes. So what do you do? Let's put it outside. Okay. Mom, can you grab it? Somebody? A new bicycle.
Yeah, it's for your birthday.
Yeah, baby. Yeah. Get out of the car and go play on it.
Wait, there's a car right there. Let's put it right here. Do you know how to do it? Whoa.
Nope.
Remember, you just move your feet.
Good job.
Wow, Lil. Do you like it? Yeah.